welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today is a much anticipated day. I can't really walk outside because it's still pretty dark out there. Anyways, much anticipated. This is the track day at Texas Motor Speedway. I'm super excited about it. Yesterday, Justin from Horsepower Obsessed came in along with JT from Cars Guys, and Jason from Front Seat Driver and I took them to Corvette World and Dallas Lamborghini, and then we had a great dinner, and it was just a bunch of fun. And so I'm very much so looking forward to going to the track with them today. So anyway, I'm headed over to Buc-ee's to meet them, and we're gonna grab something real quick to eat there for breakfast, and it's about 6:35 a.m. Then we're headed to the track. We got to be there about 7 o'clock, and I'm excited to report back to you guys about these new Continental tires and let you know how they are going to do on the track today. So I will catch up with you guys soon. So as you can see, it's super dark out still. We got Jason in front of us in the Lamborghini Gallardo. Well, we are officially inside of Texas Motor Speedway. So, what's up, everybody? I'm out here at Texas Motor Speedway, and we are lining up the cars right now in the paddock area. The track is actually right over there. I'll show you. Zoom in on Jason out there, help setting stuff up. But of course, everybody is just staging here in the paddock. And we got some pretty sweet cars out here. I'm going to take you around and show you them. Quite a few vets. We got Mustangs, Camaros, a 911 Turbo, also a GTR, more Camaros and Mustangs. We also have an Alfa Romeo, which is kind of cool to see out here. I love that red Z06 there. Then we got the big Viper ACR. That Corvette sounds great. We got an M2 over there. I'm telling you right now, though, it is cold out here. It's supposed to be 70 today, but it is cold right now. And then, of course, we've got some Corvettes over here, a Grand Sport Z06 and a C5 Z06. And then Jason's 2014 Gallardo. So, I don't know what time we're going to get on the track, but I will be recording everything today on the track. But other than that, I will check back in with you guys shortly. Oh my gosh, sounds amazing.
have a blast with me and Jason for the front seat driver.
And to go to In-N-Out Burger.
That's right.
We're heading there.
And by the way, if you guys have not subscribed to Horsepower Obsessed, make sure you guys do that. He has an awesome channel. Same with Cars Guys. Make sure you go visit his channel. He's got a Cars Guys lab. So
what more do you need to know?
Exactly. It's amazing. So anyway, we're having fun out here at Texas Motor Speedway. We're actually going to do a live event with all 4 of us. And I know that's going to make Peter Carey happy.
There you go. What's up, PC?
Yes, passing. Red group. Wait 2 seconds, follow him.
Okay. Alright guys, that is a wrap from the track. We had a blast out there. And I ended up only running a couple of sessions, but I've got a great full report for you on how these Continental tires did. And I think everyone is going to like what I have to say. So, first of all, let me tell you this. I woke up today, looked outside, it was all wet, so it had rained through the night, and I thought, dang it, but I had to do what I had to do, so I drove to the track, and the track was soaked, of course, and my first session out, the entire track was wet, and I'm telling you right now, I could hardly even tell sometimes in the turns that the track was that wet because of how much grip these tires have. It's unbelievable how good they are in the wet. Now, you're gonna see in my PDR footage, or you did see in my PDR footage, that the traction control was definitely coming on, both in braking and coming out of the corners. But for the most part, I mean, this thing just gripped. So that's amazing. And then on top of that, the next session I went out, the only other session I did, the track completely dried up, and I felt like I had the Cup 2s on. That's how well these tires gripped. However, as I said, after a few laps, these tires heated up very quickly and they started getting oily. And so I had to back off. I was just starting to push the car to my limit, and all of a sudden, you know, the tire got very oily and slick, and so I had to back off and go at about 3/4 of what I was going at, and then everything was fine. But I wanted to give you that full update. I had a blast. It was great being out there with Front Seat Driver, JT with Cars Guys, Justin with Horsepower Obsessed, and I met many others out there. There's a channel I want to tell you about. It's called No Revving. I'll put a link to it in my description and also right there. Met the 3 of the guys from that channel. They're great guys, but definitely a fun track day, and that'll do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative to you, for you about these tires. And with that being said, please give me a thumbs up if you love the content. If you have not joined the Brink of Speed community yet, make sure and smash that subscribe and the bell notification so that you're notified when my new content comes out. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you out on the road.